Hi everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through configuring performance management system settings, a crucial step to align employee evaluations with your organization's goals. Let's get started. In the PMS Settings section, you'll see the question, do you want to use the default performance management setting? This allows you to either use predefined configurations or customize them to fit your organization's unique needs. Let's explore the options. If the default settings work for your organization, simply click Yes, use default settings. This is a quick way to proceed with industry standard configurations. To customize the PMS settings, go to the Edit button and then click No, Change Settings. This allows you to tailor appraisal parameters, KRA assignments, and rating systems to align with your company's policies. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's look at the general settings. Here, you can control HR team rollout access, ensuring the rollout process is managed effectively by your HR team. You can also enable the Allow Employee to Set KRA option, giving employees the autonomy to define their own key result areas. Next, the Release Scorecard after manager rating setting determines when the scorecard is released. If enabled, it will only be available after the manager submits their ratings. You can also define the maximum allowed rating and the step size for ratings. To ensure consistency, enable the Enable Rounding Off of Ratings Without Labels option. This automatically rounds off ratings to the nearest integer. You can also choose to disable the Enable Previous KRA Submission option, which will prevent employees from submitting KRAs that were assigned in previous cycles. The Appraiser Field ID setting links the appraiser to a specific field ID, ensuring proper identification of the appraiser during the evaluation process. For the Restrict Fallback Approval setting, you can limit the fallback approval during manager evaluation. If activated, managers won't be able to provide fallback approvals during the evaluation phase. You can also make remarks mandatory during ratings by enabling the Make Remarks Mandatory While Rating option, adding context to the evaluations. Want a more holistic appraisal process? Enable 360 appraisals to gather feedback from peers and subordinates. You can also activate the Enable Multiple Approvers option, allowing multiple stakeholders to approve appraisals for a more inclusive evaluation. Now let's dive into the advanced settings. Here, you can control when the scorecard is released with the Release Scorecard after reviewer rating option. You can also enable reviewer rating, allowing reviewers to provide ratings and linking them to a specific reviewer field ID. To help reviewers, you can add a rating guide text to clarify expectations. For large-scale evaluations, use the Enable Import Rating feature to bulk import ratings, saving time and effort. Enable the Club Weightage for all the categories option to combine KRA weightage into one consolidated value. You can also display the financial year text on the scorecard and define the financial year for appraisals, ensuring consistency with your company's fiscal year. To promote transparency, enable the Display Self and Manager ratings on the BH rating page. This allows employees to compare their self-assessment with their manager's evaluation. Use the Display KRA and Group by Category format setting to organize KRAs by category, making evaluations easier to understand. You can also enable Auto-Populate selected rating on BH rating field, reducing manual input during appraisals. Finally, enable the Enable Reviewer Rating Line Item Wise option to allow reviewers to provide detailed ratings on individual line items, offering a more specific assessment of employee performance. Once you've configured all the settings, click Confirm and proceed to save your changes. This ensures your PMS process is tailored to your organization's needs and goals. And that's it! You've successfully configured the performance management system settings in uKnowva HRMS. See you next time!